Hello and welcome back to my craft room. It is the 20th of December, only a few more days till Christmas. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4 more sleeps. I've been out for a lovely day out with my son. I've been out and had lunch today. I've just got home and found a little pile of parcels. Now, most of them were Christmas presents for other people, but there are a couple of surprises there, so I thought I'd share them with you guys. Now, this first one I knew was, well, I ordered it ages ago and I forgot about it because it's taken a while to come, but I'm sure you might have seen. I will put links to this in the description box. So Background Bob is this amazing project that started during lockdown. This lovely lad and his parents do this thing. They raise funds for Colchester and Ipswich Hospitals charity. And what they do is he paints all these backgrounds on like corrugated card, like recycled card, and then they send it out to all different artists all over the world, and they do their own individual thing with it. And I follow them on Instagram. I'll leave a link. And look at the variety and wonderful artworks in here. I can't wait to have a really good look through this. But I just thought I'd quickly share it with you. I won't sort of sit and flick through the whole thing now. But check them out on Instagram, because you can look at all their posts. They always post the new pieces. I think every day there seems to be something every day. It's just incredible to see what people do. These lovely kind of funky random colour backgrounds that he paints. I'm really looking forward to having a good old go through this. Now, I know my friend here on YouTube, Zoe Hartist, did one. I don't think she's in here. This is the, I don't know, second or third book they brought out. And there's an index in the back. So the only Zoe there is Zoe Anchor, and that's not my friend Zoe, so I don't think she's in this one. Maybe she'll be in the next one, or she was in the one before. But yeah, brilliant. Just such a wonderful, and what a great way, it'll make a lovely gift for someone, and what a great way to support a worthy charity as well. And they're just a lovely family as well, and I just think it's really nice to support them. So I just thought I'd quickly show you that. But that's something I ordered and I kind of knew was coming, although I forgot about it. Now this, I don't actually know who it's from. There are a couple of possibilities, but there's no name on it, so I don't know who this is from. I don't know if it's a Christmas present, or it might be. This turns out to be something really personal that you won't ever get to see this video. I don't know, but let's have a look. Let's jump in and have a look. Lovely label. There's no hint, there's no sender's address on it. It's come special delivery. Ooh, pretty tissue. Take that out very carefully and keep it. From my stash. Oh, I love this kind of parcel. Oh, yeah. To my friend Annie. Oh, I think this is from Gaby. She said she was going to send, I'm sure she said she was going to send a little something. This looks like way more than a little something. This is a huge something. I love all this paper. That'll get reused for sure. What is it? How exciting! It is, because she mentioned napkins. Oh wow! So you can do so many arty things with napkins. I can use that as decorative papers or bookmarks or whatever. I love this kind of stuff. You can do an awful lot with this stuff. It's nice because it's glittery, but you don't get glitter coming off everywhere. Oh look at these napkins. So if you've never, oh look at that, that's going to be a favourite, and that. So you can like separate out the layers and just use that very top printed layer and kind of use PVA glue or something to apply it to all kinds of surfaces, not just necessarily paper and things, but you can put it onto. Gaby herself did a lovely, I'll leave a link to Gaby's channel. She did this lovely thing where she got these jars, like recycled jars, and used napkins and things and put, I think it was like angels and things she put on them, and then tied a pretty ribbon and things around the top. Just made this lovely lovely set of storage jars for her craft room out of it. Not craft room, she's a proper studio. Look at that unicorn. Oh, they are beautiful. Thank you, Gaby. I will make really good use of them. I've got a little drawer full of napkins that even if I go out for lunch and somebody puts really pretty napkins on the table, I always say, "Oh, have you got a spare one?" Can I scrounge a couple of those? One friend of mine, Sally, she just keeps them for, she just keeps spare ones for me anyway. Oh, and this is the mirrors. Yes, definitely, Gaby, because she mentioned mirrors as well. Now, I have done some embroidery with shisha embroidery with mirrors, and I'd like to do some more. And I also do things with miniatures, and I mean, you can just use these little mini mirrors in so many different ways. They've got these small circle ones and different size square ones. They are going to be so useful. Really, I will put those to really good use. Thank you, Gaby. That's brilliant. In fact, I've already got something in my head, but it's a secret. It would tie in nicely with the project that I've got in the pipeline. Thank you. Let's see what this other one is. Oh, I love it. Wasn't it nice getting a surprise parcel? She kind of said she was going to send something, but I know she hadn't been very well, and she hadn't been able to get to the post box or whatever. So, and also I wasn't. She said she was going to send me some napkins and some mirrors she couldn't use, and did I have a use for them? I said, "Oh yes, please." And I was expecting a little jiffy envelope, you know. This is heavy. Made my day, this has. I've had a nice day anyway today, so get home and have presents to come home to. That's really nice, and it's not even Christmas yet. What I'll do is these ones that I can't use for wrapping again, I will use in collage. And it's really nice using tissue that's got metallic print on in collage, because the tissue kind of fades away into the background and it just leaves the metallic print. It's really pretty. So yeah, that's what I'll do. Wow. I love micron pens. I love micron pens. Now let's have a look. Thank you, Gaby. They are so good, these pens. You can't go wrong with these pens. Yeah, 03 and 05 are sizes that I use a lot. And these micron ones, these Pigma, I think is it Pigma Micron? Pigma Micron ones are the best. They're brilliant. Oop. And you can use, once they've dried, which is pretty quick, you can use like water-based stuff over the top of them and they don't run and things. Now this is one, I haven't come across this before, Pigma Graphic. Oh, so it gives you a, I need a bit of, yeah, so it gives you a thicker line, but you can also go down to quite a thin line because of the shape of the nib. Oops, thrown that on the floor. Brilliant. I haven't tried this one before, but I just know it's going to be brilliant. Micropigment ink for waterproof and fade-proof fine lines. To be honest, I didn't even know they did one called Graphic. Oh, thank you, Gaby. That's sweet. How sweet. I still don't know. I opened it upside down, I think. Oh God, I'm getting overexcited now. Concertina sketchbook. Wow, I've never seen that. Each page has 240 GSM sheets joined for stability. 70 possible working surfaces. This is beautiful. Wow. Gaby, thank you so much. This is so generous. She's such a lovely person. such a kind person, Gaby. She's always thinking about other people. Oh look, and it's in a beautiful... Now I mustn't let this be a sketchbook that I'm too afraid to use and I keep for best, because getting into you know, keeping a proper sketchbook is something I've been really wanting to do. I've never seen one like this. Look, so it's double thickness. Each of these sections is double thickness, so I can go. Oh, there are so many things I can do with this. I could make it into a wonderful storybook. I could add pop-ups, and it's the kind of, it's quite it will take wet media as well. Fantastic for display. Yeah, because I mean you can stand it. And I can and it might seem like sacrilege, but I could kind of cut windows out of it and things like that as well. Oh, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And then it's got this lovely carrying case as well, and of course plain black cover and carrying case. I can customize that to suit whatever ends up going inside. I mean, I could do some decoupage with these. That could look quite nice, but I might wait and see what I end up doing on the inside. Oh, this is just beautiful. I'm filled to bits with that. I really am. Gaby, I don't know what to say. That's just so kind. It's so thoughtful of you. It's just right up my street. I'm going to make such good use of all of this. I love all of it. This is my special baby. Okay, I'm going to stop now. I'm going to run downstairs and show John all this before he falls asleep, because I've got to show somebody. I feel really spoiled. I wish I'd saved that to open at Christmas now. No, I don't. I enjoyed it now. Imagine it could have just been like something I forgot I ordered, like some room fragrances again or something. That would have been disappointing. So I'm going to leave a link to Gaby's channel. Do check out her channel, because she's just got some wonderful, all kinds of creative, wonderful pieces of art and crafts and things on there, and she's such a lovely lady as well. So I will leave a link to her. Do go and check her out if you haven't already, and I will also leave a link to Background Bob as well. I'll leave a link to them on Instagram, because then that gives you a good flavour of the kind of thing they do, and then they have links to if you wanted to buy one of these books. I think it's only a limited run usually, so I don't know. I couldn't see how to get hold of the first book, for instance, which I would have liked to have done. And I was thinking I could give this to someone as a gift, but I'm thinking, I don't know. Might put it away for a while and keep it nice, because I probably do have friends who would appreciate this as a gift, but at the moment it's a... Anyway, so I'm going to stop going on now. I need to go get myself sorted out. I've literally come indoors, found that little pile of parcels, and ran upstairs to open it on camera. So I need to go downstairs and get myself sorted out now. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that little peek at my surprise. Thank you so much again, Gaby. I'm just, that's so kind and thoughtful of you. I really appreciate it. Thanks for joining me, everybody. If you don't, I'm hoping to get cracking on my Frankendollies to go in my trash tome tomorrow. So hopefully that will happen, but I know everybody's busy at the moment, so you might not have time to see that before Christmas. So if I don't see you again before Christmas, have a good one, whatever you're doing and wherever you're doing it. All the best to you and yours, and I will see you again really soon.